Hello and a warm welcome to Traveling Kangaroo, your ultimate guide to the most unique travel destinations. Here, we hop around the globe, uncovering the hidden gems and fascinating tales that make each place special. Today, we're setting our sights on the heart of the American Midwest, North Dakota. We'll explore everything from its rugged badlands to its rich cultural heritage, and the unique stories that set it apart. So, buckle up as we embark on a fascinating journey to discover what North Dakota is known for. North Dakota is home to some of the most dramatic landscapes in the United States. The Badlands, a term coined by the Lakota people, translates to land bad and refers to the challenging living conditions presented by this rugged terrain. But don't let the name fool you. The Badlands are a spectacle of nature's raw beauty, offering a mesmerizing blend of unique geological formations steeped in millions of years of history. These formations, carved by wind and water over ages, create a stunning tableau of buttes, canyons, and pinnacles that stretch as far as the eye can see. The land is a testament to the power of natural forces, constantly changing and evolving. This is a haven for wildlife too. Bison, pronghorn antelope, and wild horses roam freely, adding life to the stark landscape. The Badlands aren't just about ruggedness, they're about resilience, the testament of life thriving against all odds. With its rugged beauty, the Badlands of North Dakota truly create a lasting impression. Named after the 26th President of the United States, the Theodore Roosevelt National Park is a testament to his conservation efforts. This park is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature lovers. Bison roam the prairies while wild horses gallop freely, creating a picture of untamed wilderness that's hard to find elsewhere. The park is crisscrossed by over 100 miles of foot trails, inviting you to immerse yourself in the rugged beauty of the North Dakota Badlands. Theodore Roosevelt himself once said, "The farther one gets into the wilderness, the greater is the attraction of its lonely freedom." And this park embodies that spirit to the fullest. It's a place where you can stand atop a windswept hill and see nothing but the rolling landscape for miles around, where the air is crisp, the stars are bright, and the silence is broken only by the sounds of nature. Experience the untamed beauty of North Dakota at the Theodore Roosevelt National Park. In a world often divided, North Dakota offers a beacon of unity, the International Peace Garden. Nestled on the border between the US and Canada, it was established in the mid-20th century as a symbol of harmony between nations. A stroll through the garden reveals breathtaking floral displays, meticulously designed to reflect the spirit of unity. Its significance goes beyond mere aesthetics, as it stands as a testament to the enduring friendship between two great nations. The International Peace Garden, a symbol of peace and friendship, is a must-visit in North Dakota. Imagine a highway that takes you on a journey through art and imagination. Welcome to the Enchanted Highway. Here, a series of unique, towering metal sculptures line the road, each a testament to the creative spirit of North Dakota. These are the brainchildren of one man, Gary Greff, who sought to breathe new life into his hometown. From a family of tin farmers to gigantic geese in flight, these whimsical creations capture the heart. The Enchanted Highway, where art and landscape come together to create a magical journey. North Dakota's rich history is deeply rooted in its Native American heritage. A land of diverse ethnic tapestry, North Dakota is home to 5 federally recognized tribes: the Mandan, Hidatsa, Arikara, the Dakota, and the Lakota nations. Each tribe, distinct in their languages and customs, contributes to the state's vibrant cultural mosaic. The Mandan, Hidatsa, Arikara nations, collectively known as the 3 affiliated tribes, are renowned for their agricultural prowess and earth lodge homes. The Dakota and Lakota nations, part of the larger Sioux tribe, are famed warriors, horsemen, and buffalo hunters. Their traditions, from the spiritual sun dance to the lively powwows, echo through the state's valleys and plains. Intricate beadwork, pottery, and weaving showcase their artistic brilliance, while their oral histories and legends continue to shape the state's narrative. These tribes' profound respect for the land and nature has greatly influenced North Dakota's conservation efforts, underscoring their enduring impact. The Native American tribes of North Dakota, a vibrant part of the state's cultural tapestry. Did you know North Dakota boasts a unique geographical claim? Nestled in the heart of this state is the small town of Rugby, which holds the title of the Geographical Center of North America. This isn't just a fun fact, but a significant geographical point, marking the middle of a continent that spans from the frosty Arctic to the tropical Caribbean, and from the Atlantic to the Pacific. So, if you ever want to literally be at the center of it all, Visit Rugby, North Dakota, and stand at the heart of the continent. Welcome to Fargo, the city that surprises. Nestled in the heart of the Red River Valley, Fargo is North Dakota's largest city and a cultural hub that defies expectations. With a population of just over 100,000, Fargo has a small-town feel, but with the amenities and attractions of a bustling metropolis. This city is bursting with life, from its vibrant art scene to its renowned museums. The Plains Art Museum, for instance, is home to over 4,000 works of art, showcasing the rich cultural tapestry of the region. Fargo also hosts various festivals throughout the year, such as the famous Fargo Film Festival, which draws filmmakers and enthusiasts from around the globe. But perhaps what truly sets Fargo apart is its warm and welcoming people. The locals' friendliness and hospitality embody the spirit of North Dakota, making every visitor feel right at home. Fargo, the city that captures the spirit of North Dakota. North Dakota's cultural roots run deep, with a strong influence from Scandinavian and German immigrants. These influences are evident in the state's culinary offerings, where you can find dishes like krumkake, a traditional Norwegian waffle cookie, and knofla, a hearty German soup. The state also hosts a myriad of festivals celebrating these cultures, including the Norsk Høstfest, the largest Scandinavian festival in North America. Even the architecture echoes these roots, with stave churches and German-style houses dotting the landscape. Experience the rich cultural heritage of North Dakota, a blend of Scandinavian and German traditions. North Dakota is not just about natural beauty and cultural heritage, it's also a powerhouse of the American oil industry. Beneath its rugged terrain lies an abundance of oil reserves, making it one of the top oil-producing states in the nation. This oil wealth is a significant contributor to the U.S. economy. The Bakken oil boom, a period of rapid growth in oil extraction, further solidified North Dakota's key role in the energy sector. North Dakota, powering America's energy needs. So there you have it, North Dakota in all its diverse glory. From the Rugged Badlands to the Theodore Roosevelt National Park, the International Peace Garden, and the Enchanted Highway. A state steeped in Native American heritage and the geographical heart of North America. A place where cities like Fargo thrive and Scandinavian and German roots run deep. And let's not forget about the oil. Thank you for joining us on this journey through North Dakota with Traveling Kangaroo. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, and visit our website travelingkangaroo.com. Until next time, keep exploring.